Okay, let's make cinnamon rolls. I have here the flour, sugar, salt, the yeast, and the butter, and water. Walang milk, pero water ang gagamitin ko. Okay, so let us start. So, make a well in the center. Let's make the yeast and the sugar, salt, the milk or the water, let's blend it together. Okay, then later we will add the vanilla and the butter. Okay, I have added the butter and mix mo muna siya until it forms a ball-shaped round. Okay, kinamay na lang yan. Ano lang naman, konti lang yung harina. See, there's the butter. Okay, there's the butter. Okay, I'm going to show it to you later. Until it is smooth. Okay. Madulas ang aking ano. So I got this recipe also from the internet. From Food with Style yata yun. Kaya lang, instead of milk, kasi walang milk sa bahay, wala akong nabiling milk. Kaya, tubig na lang ang ginamit ko. Okay, pwede rin naman eh. Okay, so it is smooth already. Okay, so we will put it here sa bowl and cover it. Okay. Let it rise for about 40 to 45 minutes up to 1 hour. Depende sa temperature, sa air temperature ng inyong kitchen. Okay, so let us wait for the first rise. Okay, so this is the cinnamon. Cinnamon bark siya. Ipinound ko. Wala na yung aking ano. Akin daw yung aking tawag dito. Hindi blender, yung sample boss. Then, na-tear and wear na siya. Kaya, tsaga-tsaga sa pounder. Pwede naman eh. Maganda nga eh. Mas maganda pa. Mas maganda yung ano niya. Okay. 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 Cinnamon and brown sugar. So, tansyahan method lang ha. Tansyahan method lang to. Basta si Judea, tansyahan lang. Ito nga pala yung cinnamon bark ko. So, from this, ganito, to this. Ayun. Okay, ha? Okay, so this is already the mixture of cinnamon sugar. Okay. Now, the recipe is written under the description. Okay. Now, punch na natin. Ayan na, nag-double in size na siya. Ayan na. Okay. So, lagay na natin siya dito. And, ayusin na natin. Okay. Oh. Haha. Rectangular. Okay. Haha. Okay, go. Ayan na yan. Okay. Ganyan yung nakita ko sa internet lang din ang recipe nito, pero meron akong syempre yung style ko improvise to. Ayun. Tsaka tinansya ko lang. Okay na. Okay. Okay, now ito the butter has already melted. Wow. Ang ganda. Okay. Bakit ba? Dito lang naman to sa bahay. And okay, haha. Kung gusto nyo, lagyan nyo rin ng dito ng evap. Meron akong nakita rin na may naglagay din ng evap sa dito. Okay, wala na, jobus na. Okay, rolyo na natin. Hello, minutes na. Rolyo na. Okay. Sarap to. Kung may nuts, walang nuts, okay lang. Okay, 6 pieces. Recipe, it goes for 6 pieces. Kalimutan kong lagyan. Okay, let's wait for the second rice. This is the buttercream, a mixture of butter, powdered sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. Konti lang to. Tansyahan method lang din to. Bahala na kayo kung anong style ang gusto nyo. Kung buttercream, lagyan nyo rin ng cream cheese. Okay, mas masarap kung may cream cheese. Finished product. So, palamigin lang muna natin siya bago natin maglagay ng frosting. Okay? Okay, so here is the finished product. Medyo mainit pa siya. Eh, di na makapag-antay. Kaya, ayan, nag-melt ang mantekilya. Okay. Pero gusto ko yun sa gitna. See? See how lambot it is? Wow. Mainit pa siya. Afternoon tea delight again. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.